What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a front shove on a fingerboard. Now, how to do it, you use your back finger and you gotta like kick it. That's what I keep it right there. It's much easier to get that kick, that scooping motion, that front scoop motion, instead of just keeping it directly on the tail. But that's how I do them. So how I do front shoves, I don't really like pop with my hand and move my hand around like that. I pretty much just use my back finger, just with the finger positioning, it makes it easier. And also a tip, you gotta lift up your hand very slightly instead of keeping it flat, like lift it up like this. I find it much easier when you lift up your hand instead of keeping it flat. So yeah, that's how you do a front shove. If there's any more trick tutorials you want me to do, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.